Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a week or 2 weeks since I started classes. I haven't been able to vlog because most times my classes are in the morning and I'm just rushing to go to those classes because it's either I am almost late or I just have to find something to eat before class. So I haven't been able to vlog. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing fine as well. Anyways, so last week I hung out with my friends and I vlogged that, so just stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. I also bought some things or a theme and I want to unbox it with you guys as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you, bye. So this was me all dressed and ready to go and meet my friends, and I'm giving you a quick outfit of the day check. This was at the entrance of the place. The place is like a picnic area with some architecture and picnic sitting areas and stuff. It was very cute. It has trees and games, playing ground for kids and all of that. So I'm giving you a quick tour and I hope you enjoy. Meeting up with our friends, we brought along food and drinks. So here we were setting up so everyone could eat before getting into the activity of the day. And here we were also hyping each other up so we get in the right mood so everyone could have fun and enjoy the day. So already after eating we began with the games, but guys we ran into a small problem. So here we were pulling the receipts, guys. We needed proof just to make sure that we were on the right track and no one was cheating and all of that. So here we were debating and arguing over the rules. After debating for God knows how long, the rules stated that we had to give our cards to one person so he shuffles it and reshares it to all of us. It doesn't matter if you had 3 cards or 5 cards prior. After sharing, we are all getting the same number of cards. So guys, this is your sign to host the game nights with your friends, or just try to play a simple game like Uno. It's very fun. and let me know how it goes in the comment section. After having so much fun, we just took pictures and videos, and this was after all of that. So we are heading back home, and I had to give you a nice view of the place before. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. I'm so excited, guys, if you can't already, because I just received a package. I ordered this myself from Trendio, which is an online shop here. It's some sports equipment, so let's unbox it together. The excitement is hitting me now.